Well guys, I don't know if you can hear this right now, but that's the whole point of this video. If you can, great, because that means I'm not wasting my time. However, I have wasted a lot of time. Not intentionally though, because if you can hear this... Okay. Anyways guys, if you can hear this, great, because this is probably the last time you're going to be hearing me through this dang old mic. You may be wondering, what's wrong? Well, if you paid attention to my Twitter, link in the description, or my Discord, you guys can keep up with news. But if you noticed, I didn't put a video out last week. Let's talk about why. My GoPro just doesn't like recording audio anymore, you guys. My GoPro gave me a solution on Twitter. I shouldn't have done the shitty thing and just put it on Twitter, but I was just curious to see if they'd respond. And they did. They said, you know, here, try this firmware update. It should fix your problem. And actually for a minute it did. But the issue came back, which means it's probably not GoPro. So GoPro, if you're listening, or if you see the follow-up tweet, apologies if I was blaming you. I don't think it's unfair to say that your brand has had some bugs with their things in the past. But no, I don't think this is up to you. This is up with the mic. At least that's what I'm going to try next. And I use the Giant Squid mic for my helmet setup. I can't call myself incredibly satisfied with my current motovlogging setup, but I didn't hate it. And being a $50 mic that I heard works well with the actual GoPro Hero 6 Black, which is what I have, I was like, alright, it works. A lot of good reviews. Alright, I'll grab it. So I did. And some of the 1-star reviews on the actual Amazon page, which you can find, link in the description, some people had the same exact problem I did. So I'm going to toss GoPro a bone here. I've been using you guys for a long time. You're definitely not the cheapest out there, but damn it, you work. And that's what I need. So guys, I apologize if I've been a little bit quiet on YouTube lately. I know it's only one missed week, but one missed week as a YouTuber just feels awful, guys. It's terrible. So what I did instead was I go to my man I trust the most. I went to Mr. Chase on 2 Wheels' website on chaseon2wheels.com. I just looked for the Lav mic. I went to that Amazon page, bought it. Didn't even read anything on it, just bought it. If it works for Chase, it'll work for me. Plus, it was $20 cheaper than this Giant Squid Audio Labs mic. I don't know, man. Giant Squid, y'all gotta get your shit together. Sorry, this turned into like a trash talking video. I really didn't mean for that to happen. I just want everybody who is motovlogging and everybody who needs a quality product to get it and not pay too much for it, you know? But I do other reviews on stuff. Not that I can call this a review. And if you want to check that out, go right up here to this video here. I test ride motorcycles. It's a real fun gig. But hey, if you're also into video games or just want to come chat with me, get to know me a little bit closer, follow me on Twitch. I'm there every night, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. to 10 or 11, whichever it is. But yeah, hopefully we won't have this issue any longer, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.